Welcome to Meisum. Achu COHSEM with Arts League, 12 Arts League, 6th rank, Color Sociology with Topper, Mr. Raphael Shanglai, Meisum Ling Midlay. Welcome to Meisum, Raphael.
Thank you, sir.
And it's a pleasure to have you. Kare sadan na we self-introduction, kala na si family being we introduction teo kamigla, and then I'll ask some few questions.
In a reader, kila I was self-introduced sarang naga nasi Meisum immediately nish lagari da hangaye na tunila very nang so mirno. Isha bana ili tangkul tuay na yurpay da pogmiya kala baptism we aming na Raphael da pogmiya. Ishi sibling si Taruk na ina jili kapanga kakava na ishi family le ava la at mayang la government employee kasami akla muna rang ava na jikawa tada daily wages earner saya avala ki om sala tada shimli itumi chakta hangmi naga jitada pondle itada saida ishi America romance na itum matili laritam queerno da miwe achingli old vasalaka hotel boy vasalaka ishli jitada laritam sakda kleina.
Thank you so much for the introduction, Raphael. Ringpana ye abuna bana otum samni jisalala lairing sanglawe na damlaga maina chaka support sami da kleji itum national being collector now being wangajung encouragement kala inspiration sadly no we result we bang itum chung ring pai. Congratulations once again. Nana no we marks being kala overall percentage mahami baira subject wise marks stila.
Indeed, it's my pleasure to share my overall percentage and mark wise. Overall percentage in COHSEM I got 87.6 PC, and mark wise sociology I got subject Topper 95, and pol science I got 85, alternative English I got 86, and English I got 82, and the least mark I got history with only 40 marks, and home science I got 90.
Okay, marks jakam tada kung jebang chung ring pai. Just wanted to ask one thing. Do you think COHSEM is more difficult to score? And do you think the board kangde na tasanija pamera did you wish, or is it okay?
Actually, COHSEM and CBC doesn't have much difference. The way they ask their questions and all the test book I think are more or less similar, and CBSE is not also more not easier, and the COHSEM is also not more difficult, because the only thing is that for COHSEM, I think the way they allot the marks, they are more stricter than the CBSE, and I don't regret appearing in COHSEM, because COHSEM, the way they allot the marks, I think if we go and enter in CBSE again, I think we can do much more better again.
Thank you so much, Raphael. That's the spirit. Jida the chaka confidence clay, kala jida the nana machuta clay ring pai. Indeed, you scored the highest in sociology. Is this your favorite subject, or you have another favorite subject?
For that, actually, history is my favorite subject.
Okay.
And all my hard work and labor goes for history. But then the thing is, I got history the least marks, and I don't know why. Actually, history is my favorite, and almost every day I touch history, studying history.
So with that, no we favorite subject score si ara did it change your plan, or the history tambara ninga juga ngachi ke ninga what's your plan?
Yeah, since history I got the least mark, I a bit changed my mind.
Okay.
I decided I think I will take, instead of taking honors, I think I will take BA program.
Okay. Now you have signed up in Delhi University. I saw in one of your interview you have applied in Saint Stephen and Hindu. No expectation key, and why do you want to study from there? Sherm San Baira.
ERE Saint Stephen and Hindu College online registration was sidely the Ashiwi selection here. That is Sherm Samni selection sarcum team Niji Kiwang Jigla that the ship is Mok Juna Sampang Ishimani Pupo Basiliva top Sampang Salala first top Atumla 92 Bisimang side the Ihip the selection sarca Sherm Samni the SGV quotas high the cut Jansley got the Finisai.
Okay, in case you don't get in Saint Stephen or Hindu, no way plan P but hardly.
Chili selection saga had the school is a try Sasika the Pindalifi.
Okay.
You know, selection was the Saraga the Lepini, you hope because Saint Stephen is my long cherished hope.
Okay.
To study the prestigious college.
Mm-hmm. And in your interview with the Accrued Times, you mentioned civil service IAS Shanghai mentioned side and your model or your inspirations is Armstrong Pame and Puja Elangpam. They're your model. Can you tell us the good reason why they are your model and why you want to become IAS officer or civil servant?
Of course, it's my pleasure because Armstrong Pame, his lifestyle and Puja's Elambam advice really inspires me a lot. Because though Armstrong Pame is from a poor background, but he never lose hope. He always work hard to crack UPSC exam. And Puja's Elambam advice, his famous advice, like not famous or I don't know, but then looking through all his YouTube and all, study smartly. I should say studying smartly can crack UPSC exam for people having experience of UPSC exam.
That is really nice to hear from you. Other than studies, what are you good at? And your hobbies?
Other than studies, I should say I used to strum guitar and sing song with it. And sometimes play mind game like chess and all.
That's great. Okay, as you have mentioned, saying that the civil service that pursue Shanghai I just wanted to ask one last question. Have you started preparing for it, or how do you plan to prepare for it?
Actually, I should say I haven't started preparing for UPSC exam. But then taking the advice of this IAS officer, Pujas Ilampam, study smartly. I should say, studying smartly and reading this all-round books, I'm sure I can crack UPSC exam. Taking her advice, study smartly.
Raphael, congratulations once again, and thank you so much for coming to Meisum. Apologies for getting in touch with you a little bit late. Kohati pamai da nawe kan take a paji in a kan take a sabing in a magatela somehow the kawi the kan take some way. I'm so sorry for that, but I'm thankful to one chang horam nawe kan take an sensak mi wang kala ida the Meisum sakang sak wang chung kring pai. Convey my regards to your parents and on behalf of Meisum and also to your brother ana nabi kala na thumbi ya ka pungsanda katom laga sada kai jiwang chung ka appreciate sai ring phanai brenan somida nawi kala na shishim kurwi kapning jilawung chungruno. May you have much more success in the days to come. Thank you so much, Raphael. Thanks for joining.
Thank you so much. I'll send my greetings to my parents now.